Welcome to Auto Updateatar, your go-to channel for the latest updates on automobiles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj Qute, a compact quadricycle that's redefining urban mobility. Designed to bridge the gap between traditional auto rickshaws and small cars, the Bajaj Qute is a practical and eco-friendly solution for short-distance travel in congested cityscapes. With its modern design and efficient engineering, it's a vehicle that stands out in its segment. The Bajaj Qute is powered by a fuel-efficient 216cc single-cylinder engine, offering a smooth and reliable performance. It's available in both petrol and CNG variants, catering to users looking for economical and environmentally friendly options. With a top speed of around 70 km per hour, it's perfect for city commutes, providing a balance between speed and safety. The Qute's mileage is impressive, delivering approximately 35 km/L for petrol and over 40 km per kilogram for CNG, making it a cost-effective choice for daily transportation. This compact vehicle features a lightweight yet sturdy monocoque body, ensuring durability and stability. The Bajaj Qute is designed to comfortably seat 4 passengers, including the driver, with adequate legroom and headroom for its size. The ergonomic seating arrangement and well-ventilated cabin enhance passenger comfort, while the wide windows provide excellent visibility and a sense of openness. Despite its compact dimensions, the Qute offers ample boot space for carrying luggage or groceries, making it a practical choice for urban users. The Qute is equipped with a 5-speed sequential gearbox, ensuring smooth gear transitions and better control in traffic. Its compact size and tight turning radius make it easy to maneuver through crowded streets and narrow lanes. The vehicle's suspension system is tuned for urban roads, providing a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Safety features include seat belts for all passengers, a robust body structure, and an anti-roll bar, ensuring stability during sharp turns. One of the standout aspects of the Bajaj Qute is its eco-friendliness. The CNG variant significantly reduces emissions, contributing to cleaner air in cities. Its low running costs and minimal maintenance requirements make it an attractive option for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're a small business owner, a fleet operator, or someone looking for an affordable and efficient personal vehicle, the Qute offers a versatile solution. In terms of aesthetics, the Qute features a modern and functional design. Its compact yet stylish exterior is complemented by a range of vibrant color options. The interiors are thoughtfully designed with user-friendly controls and practical storage spaces. It's a vehicle that combines utility with a touch of elegance, catering to the needs of urban commuters. If you're considering a compact, economical, and eco-friendly vehicle for city travel, the 2025 Bajaj Qute is definitely worth a closer look. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Updateatar for more updates on the latest vehicles and innovations in the automotive world.